In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an exit page in SurveyMonkey. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go inside the Design Survey tab. For your survey, you want to add an exit page for, and then you want to scroll to the very bottom. And one way to do this is by actually just adding a new page and using the new page as a thank you page. So you could go ahead and, of course, customize what it says up here, or you could just go ahead and add content here and click on text, and then just type in, for example, like thank you or something like that. So of course you could do whatever you want over here, click on save, and that could actually serve you as a thank you or exit page. Now of course that's one way to do it, but if I go to preview survey over here, you'll be able to see that after I click and navigate through this. So if I go, for example, click on here, do next, and if I just go ahead and click on next again, you'll be able to see this exit page. There we go. However, after that's done, people still have to click on the done button over here, and then basically that's the end of the preview, and that's the end of your survey. Okay, so that could be your exit page. You could use that and it's gonna work. However, if you want it to be custom, you will need one of their premium plans, and if you have one of their upgraded plans, you could go ahead and go to the collect responses tab up here, and to add an exit or end page, click on the collector you wish to add the end page for. So I'm going to click on the first one here I have, and you want to scroll down, and here it's going to say survey end page. So you could also show a custom page to people who complete your survey, which is the exit or end page, and click on over here and you'll be able to do this. Now here it's taken to the upgrade section because I don't have the premium plan of SurveyMonkey yet. And of course when you do, you'll be able to set your message over here, or also set a custom thank you if you wish to do that as well. So that's how to actually add it if you have a premium plan, and that's the best way to do it. But if you don't, you could just use this inside the design survey. You could add a new page as the last page and then make it whatever you want your exit page to be. So of course the most important thing here is going to be to just make sure that the page is actually the last page. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.